Mr. Anwar. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Mrs. Farhana. What is your address? My address is Place Viagalam, Post Office Hatyabazar, Full Institution Hatia, District Noakhali, Country Bangladesh. What do you do? I reading madrasa. What is your madrasa address? My madrasa's address is, my madrasa's name is Zalbesh Bazar Talimul Quran Noni and Hafizia Madrasa. It is at Zalbesh Bazar Hatia Noakhali. What is your principal's name? My principal's name is Mr. Maulana Rashidul Islam. What is your English teacher's name? My English teacher's name is Mr. Muhammad